MiJulsz, when I tell you.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
Pussy boss, pussy. You drop pussy. Drop. I have to drop means. Drop and get confused then.
Hurry up!
I said, yes, I can't keep that thing up. The boys say come out them high, but we don't give a fuck.
This one's son, cuz. This one's son.
What?
That needs hot and glass, necessary.
So hey guys, today is the 23rd of June. So this makes it mine and Tussie's or Tussie's and I's 6-month anniversary. So it's been 6 months. I feel so tired, guys. Like I feel really tired. I literally woke up from my sleep like 20 minutes ago. Had a shower. I had a shower and now I'm getting dressed. I leave tomorrow, and I must say, if you have gotten to this vlog without being bored, yous are the real MVPs because my grandma still has red belly. What was I saying? You guys are the real MVPs for getting to this vlog, because I know for a fact that the vlogs prior to this vlog have not been as entertaining as I wanted them to be. Don't get me wrong, I've had a beautiful holiday. It's been really nice, but it's just like I don't want to be. It's popcorn. How are you? That's good, that's good.
Are you going tomorrow?
Yes, I'm going home tomorrow. Where was I? What was I saying? Shit. What was I saying? Oh my god, guys. Okay, so I was on the I've had a really good holiday in terms of this is a pink blouse. I've had a really good holiday. I cannot complain at all. But I just feel like the vlogs probably have not been as entertaining, simply because, you know, people were saying like after the last vlogs got released that like they don't want to be on the vlogs and it's embarrassing. So obviously I've had them thoughts in my head, and I'm thinking, well, I wouldn't want people to be capturing me without my permission, so therefore I just like, even though let me tell you let me tell you guys, some funny ass shit has been happening. When I tell you some funny ass shit, I wish I recorded them, but it's like, as soon as I pull out my phone, guys, people just stop doing what they're doing. I just feel like I don't want to make anyone feel like I'm invading their privacy, so I just don't record. It's strange as well, because even when it's finished happening, you'll hear someone say, oh, where's your camera? I'm thinking, okay, you're asking where my camera is, but you guys never like been on the vlog in the first place, and this is like, they're giving me mixed messages, so that's the reason why I haven't really been vlogging as much. And let me tell you, there has been some moments I wish I had caught them on camera, but I've literally, I would say in the past I would vlog, I would say about 90% of my day. Now I probably vlog like 40%, if that. Like, there's been a dramatic drop, and I'm not here complaining or moaning or whatever. But yeah, if you have made it to this vlog, I totally respect you guys, because, you know, it's not like the other vlogs have been, you know, extremely funny or whatever. If you made it, thank you so much for that support. I really do appreciate it. So mom saw me yesterday, she was like, oh, your makeup looks so good, you can start going on your makeup channel now. I was like, I don't know guys, I'm weird. Like, even though I've got a makeup channel sitting there, I'm the sort of person that, for some reason, I feel like I need to perfect my makeup before I even think of venturing out there into the whole YouTube makeup world. And don't get me wrong, I've seen people that are not as good as myself, that are better than me. Like, I feel like before I come on YouTube, I want to be like, I wouldn't say a pro, because obviously makeup takes years to master. So maybe not a pro, but I feel like I would like to be not at a beginner's level, and I kind of feel like I'm at a beginner's level, but at the same time, I feel like I do want to come on here and show you what I've won with my makeup skills. So, I mean, if I get enough confidence, I might come in here and be like, yeah, Mary, how you doing, kind of thing, you know. But yeah guys, how are you guys? Do you know, I miss my lovely ladies from my life. When I was staying at Tussie's workplace, I used to go on live every day, and I used to talk to my ladies. We used to have a good old time. Like, we used to talk for hours. And the thing is, the best lives are actually hidden. Like, I haven't actually deleted. I have deleted, I think, about 3, but I've also kept a few, but they're on private, so it's like I can always go back and watch them, but no one else can see them, which is quite sad. But I just feel like because there's been so much information being put out on those lives, not just about my life but about everyone else's life, I just feel like I need to respect my ladies and just keep their personal business private, because it's like they've shared it with myself and the Julszhassan community, but I don't think they want the whole world to know. And if I had kept it up there, you know, there's some personal, like some real personal stuff got shared, and it's so cute that everyone trusts me with their business. Yeah, well, not their business, but I mean, you know, some people, Like some people, you go on their lives and the whole chat is just quiet, right? But my live girls are just so open and they're so jovial. I think that's what I like, and we can literally talk about anything. The things we talk about, listen, it's more like a sisterhood. But everyone's just so nice. And I don't even think I spoke about this, but I met Queen Steph, guys. Oh my god, are you mad? I met Queen Steph. She's so lovely. She's such a lovely girl. Yeah, she up well good. She up good, man. She's so humble. Like the same thing, the same person she is online is the same person she is in real life. Like with Steph, what you see is what you get, and I absolutely love that. I mean, this trip has been so, it's been a big eye-opener. Like I just feel so refreshed. Hey, I feel so refreshed, guys. Like I feel like I just need to go home and start making some money, you know. I feel like I need to go home and start making some money. Like I need to get my hustling hat on. That is how I feel right now. Like I feel very motivated, very ambitious. I feel like this trip has and the thing about it is not like I've even sat down and spoken to anyone about money. I just feel like, can I put you lot's hair? Let me keep you lot's hair because I don't know where else to put you guys. Okay, let me turn up. I think I need to turn myself. There we go. Okay, yeah. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I just feel so motivated, and it's not even like, it's not a thing where I've sat down and spoken to. Yeah. God, you know. You never know. Yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow. Watch out. You gonna miss me? Oh, babes. Everyone's shocked that I'm leaving tomorrow. I don't know why. Probably because I'm normally out here for like 4 weeks, 5 weeks. This is a short little trip. Oh, bless them. My little cousin's so cute. Guys, let me actually focus on my makeup and continue talking. So where was I? Where was I? Oh, that's it. I was saying, I feel so motivated to like do well. I just feel like, yeah, I feel ready to like really push out. Like, see with me, right? I'm a very, believe it or not, I'm a very, shit. So believe it or not, oh guys, I've got a fat. Okay, so believe it or not, I'm a very I don't like shame. Do you understand? I don't like embarrassment. I don't like people laughing at me. And not that I always feel like people are gonna laugh at me, but I think like I have an idea, guys, yeah. And I wanna push out the idea, but I'm thinking to myself, is it gonna blow? You know what I mean? I'm always like, is it gonna blow? Is it gonna be received well, kind of thing? And obviously, if you wanna make it in life, you can't make what other people think about you hold you back. And I should just go for it, guys. It just, should just go for it. But it's like in life, right? I always think that in life, you're either gonna win or lose. So you might as well take the chance and see what card you can pull, yeah? And I think that's my problem. Like, I've always started new things. Like, I've started vlogs before. I think the only thing I've really kept up with is with my vlogging channel. I've got a group on Facebook, but to be honest, that group I haven't posted on at all. I just created it. I don't even know why. I just created it. But what was I saying? There's something new that I want to go into, so I think I might just use that. I might just use that Facebook group for that new thing that I want to do, if that makes sense. So yeah. So I don't know if you guys know this, or probably by the time this vlog comes out, because this is like the last Jamaica vlog. So hopefully by the time this vlog would have come out, you would have actually seen, or I would have actually spoken to you guys about this product already. So I think I can talk about it. So yeah, I want to start. I want to become a partner with Julszhassan, which is a company that provides. Sorry, let me just focus on this bit a little bit. Okay, so Julszhassan is I would call it an organic company, simply because what they use in their products is nothing like, there's no preservatives, there's none of that crap, right? So I would call it an organic company that provides, I can't call them vitamins because they're not vitamin tablets. I would just call it a company that helps you to improve your health through the products that they sell. Now that is the easiest way of me describing the company. So so the person that introduced me to the company was Julszhassan. Some of you lots may know her or may not know her, right? She's a fellow YouTuber as well. She's also Jamaican, and I've also met her. She's a beautiful soul. She's a beautiful person. I've got nothing bad to say about her, right? So yeah, she's a partner within the company, and she's obviously introduced me to the company or whatever. But I said to myself, you know what, Tabia, before you actually join this company, I think it will be quite good for you. I think it will be quite good for you to actually buy the products first and see if you like it or if the products work for you. Do you know what I mean? Because the thing about it, I'm a person that I can't sell things. Like, I used to work for this company, right? I used to work for this phone company back home, well, in England, and it was commission based. So you get obviously your minimum wage or whatever. Sorry, but you've obviously got the chance to work. And make extra money through commission and whatever. But me, I just didn't like this whole selling technique, because I just can't lie to people. I cannot listen. When it comes to doing business, I can't lie to people. And I thought to myself, okay, if I'm going to become a franchise of this company, or if I'm going to become like a partner in this company, I can't just sit there and lie through my teeth. And like, some people can lie, I can't. So I thought to myself, alright, cool, let me buy it. Yeah, let me buy it. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it's very costly. It has got a price on it, but the way I see it, yeah, is that when it comes to your health, there shouldn't be a price where you're gonna be like, oh, you know what, that's too expensive, I'm not gonna bother with it. And that's not coming from a selling perspective, that's coming from a real talk perspective. Anyways, back to what I was saying. So I bought the boosters, the shakes, so they got vanilla and chocolate, and I bought also the premium capsules. So I bought the 3. I bought the green, the red, and the purple. Now the green is all the greens you need within a day. So it contains spinach, kale, broccoli, I believe carrots as well. It contains all your greens that you'll ever need for one day. The reds are your fruits. So it contains like apples and all the other fruits. And then the purple contains all your berries. So your blueberry, your raspberry, your this berry, or whatever. Okay. Not to get too scientific or whatever, because I don't want to tell no lie. I can't, you know. So I've been taking them for a while. When I say a while. So within the first week of taking them, my eyesight has improved. Now I can't tell you how bad my eyesight was, but it was bad. Like, how can I explain this? Okay. Because I've always kind of walked. I should be wearing glasses. Put it that way, right? Because my eyesight is not good. So I knew that had never seen me in glasses, right? Right. My eyesight is bad, or it was bad, should I say? So my eyesight was very bad, and within a week of taking them, listen, I saw a dramatic difference. I can't get used to looking into the actual view, and I'm looking into the camera. I cannot. MiJulsz, when I tell you, I cannot start to stress how much my eyesight improved within a week. You see, 2 weeks, I thought to myself, bitch, you never had bad eyesight in the first place, girl. Listen, and the thing about these capsules is, like, you don't actually have to have a good diet. You don't have to follow like a strict diet to see the improvement, no, because you're getting your fruits and veg from these capsules anyways. So if you're a person that don't like to cook fruits and veg, or don't like to eat them, you don't like the taste or whatever, buy these capsules, take them morning and night with a glass of water, and you're good to go. You don't need to cook vegetables ever again, because the thing is, they get the vegetables from the farm, and then they, I don't know how this thing works, press it into like a powdery consistency, and then they put it in the capsule. So obviously, if you're a person that likes to take your shakes, like your protein shakes, if you're taking any other health shakes like Herbalife, whatever, you can literally open the capsules. Or if you're just doing juices, what you can do, you can open the capsules. You can open the capsules and you can empty in your juice or put it in your NutriBullet and blend it in. Now obviously, before coming to this decision, before coming to this point where I'm like to myself, do you know what, I'm actually ready to venture off into this business of the Juice Plus world, I've read the reviews, I've seen the reviews on YouTube, I've seen the whole, it's a scam. Listen, I'm as real as it gets. If it was a scam, I would not even think about wanting to join the company as a distributor. Are you mad? Never. It's not a scam. The products are real. The results are real. The results are actually real. Like, it's expensive. So let me tell you. So everything that I got, I was paying 120 something pounds a month for. So it's a 4-month installment payment kind of thing. but if you want, they can deliver all the packages in one go. So it's up to you. When you're paying, you can say deliver all the packages in one go or deliver them monthly. I chose one go because it was just easier. And the good thing about this company is that there is always a 24-hour help desk, and then obviously you can always talk to me as well. Like, if you guys decide to buy it underneath my name. So yeah, this company also works as, so it's a kind of commission. So it's the more you buy from me, the more money I kind of make. Now I can't tell you how the gummy bear tastes because I haven't tried those. The only thing I can tell you is that if the capsule tastes like the way they taste, I would expect the gummy bears to taste the same, and the capsules do not taste bad. Now remember guys, you're not gonna buy these things and think they're gonna taste of sugar and extremely sweet, because these are natural fruits, no preservatives, no chemicals, nothing to enhance the flavors, nothing to make the flavor taste more better. It's just what you see is what you get with this company. So yeah, that is what I am going to be doing this summer. And I'm also in the making, or when I get back home, I will also be doing a little, like, I say little because I don't think I'll be doing a massive book. When I get back, I'll also be writing a little book about a long distance relationship, the pros, the cons, the good, the bad, the ugly, the sad. Just to keep it real, because I've had messages asking me like, oh, how do you do it? How do you survive? How do you da-da-da-da? No, there's not many books out there. Or if there are books out there, I don't think there are books out there that we can relate to, and I mean that as in like Jamaicans can relate to, because a lot of my ladies are in LDRs with guys that are in Jamaica, so I think they'll be able to relate more to my book, because they'll live abroad like myself, and their partner will live in Jamaica, like how my husband lives in Jamaica currently. And it's just nice being able to, like, having someone that you can relate to. Now when I do release this book, I am not going to make it extortionate. Like, the price will be, I think the price will be more than affordable. It will be more than affordable. Because I find it hard when people are like, they're selling a product that's going to help people, or they're selling something, or they've written a book to help people, but when you go on the book, you're seeing £26 for one book, and I'm just thinking, okay, but it's not an academic book where you're going to pass your exams with, so why is it so expensive? You know, that's not too bad. So I'm going to try and make my books very, 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 very affordable. And as you guys know, or if you don't know, my mom is currently in the process of writing her own book about her life. It's gonna come out in 3 parts. So the first one's gonna be about her life in Jamaica. Then the second one's gonna be about her life when she went abroad. and so on and so forth. Yeah, so I think I'm kind of done. I mean, it looks a bit bright, but trust me guys, it's not as bright as it looks. It just looks that way. So yeah, I'm going back home tomorrow. It's a bittersweet thing, but in the same breath, I would say that I am quite excited off of such is life. Can't believe that this happened. What was I saying? But yeah guys, I just pray that all my ladies, myself, family, friends, you know, we all just make it one day. And I think as well, we just need to stop. It's not even about just you guys, it's about myself as well. We need to just stop preying what people are gonna think about us and just do it. Just do whatever you're gonna do, no matter what people are gonna think about you. Just do it. 'Cause at the end of the day, when they're doing their thing, they're not thinking, oh, is Tabby gonna think X, Y, and Z? Or even if they think like that, they're still doing their thing, you know, because deep it, like if you actually deep it, like we all have to eat. We all have to eat. I need to actually treat myself and buy me that Fenty whatever. That Fenty glow thing. You know, I haven't bought it all now. I'm not gonna lie, when it came out, I didn't have money like that. I didn't have this expensive income like that. As I was speaking to my ladies about, we were talking about the fact that we all this year want to have dispensable income where you don't have to be saying, oh, you know, you can just treat yourself. That's it. I think we just all need to start working hard so we can. Oh, that hair's hurting me. Okay, that's a new feeling, but okay. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, don't drop that dun, dun, dun. So when I get home on Monday, because even though I'm flying tomorrow, I'm not gonna get home till Monday. I get home on Monday. I'm gonna have the nicest shower. I'm gonna wash my hair. Yeah. Wash my hair and have the nicest. I'm just so, you know when you're just feeling excited to see like, guys, my brush is very dirty. I can't even stress how dirty this brush is. Listen, I watched it the other day. I don't know why it's taking up so much dirt, but it just is. So don't mind that my brush is dirty. Yeah.
Where's that?
I was sleeping.
When he's Susha gone, he take time to come back out of it.
So top can't ask get bust today.
When the man gone, he take time. I'm girly.
Jason, tell him again. You look very nice. The ketchup here suits the Barretts. Done wigs. What?
Yes, Miss Barrett.
Jay, mango there. God know you give him a mango. Ever go pick more mango, Jay?
I can pick mango them 2-2. I cannot just pick enough.
Oh, 2-2. One to me.
Alright, ready for my mango now. And then we can go to sort out business, Jason. You did bring one back today? You didn't bring one back today?
Where's your husband?
Your handbag big?
Right bag.
Yeah, they are a beach store.
Less space in there, no?
Let me have something for her.
Can I tell you in a side, Jerry?
Hey! What the fuck?
One again.
You see all you did for the show. You're the artist that makes the show all the time. That's what I was after, right? Can somebody take my head and put it down, please? Take your time with it. Because my head was plugged out and I just plug it in back. Hey! This bumper class sister is here. Take a mission for sister. Alright, sorry.
Listen up.
Hi, Jason. What come can I come to go? Just feel at home. Jason, me? Jason. Oh, yeah, me. I'm seeing one here. Look at me as a bumper. Daddy, come here now. Come here.
Original theater pool. You don't know about this stuff. You got to be in the Lord. This is the theater's full.
So far, I see a big in here.
No, I'm just coming here for mine.
You know, I laugh. And I did little boy go about the girl, you know, call one of them. No, son, not too big in here, man.
I think it's lovely.
Let's see my teeth pop up.
What do you want?
I break him.
You want to cook for him? What did that thing with that? What do you think about and hear that? So you don't teach you like one of them to cook gear?
Oh, yeah.
But you watch out. No, this is not funny. No, laugh, this is not funny. I swear to God, no.